Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best soft dog crates that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the EliteField 3-door folding soft crates. Our top choice in this list is the EliteField 3-door folding soft dog crate, and that's because we believe that it's the perfect foldable crate that can help make your pooch feel comfortable and safe. We're certain that other customers agree with us too, since this product is getting lots of praises. In fact, it's one of the best-rated collapsible dog crates online. First of all, this soft-sided crate is very easy to set up. It only takes just a few seconds to assemble it, and that's because the frame is extremely lightweight. The cover is made from a durable mesh and thick canvas that's pretty easy to take off and wash. Furthermore, the rounded and reinforced corners enhance the safety features of the crate. What we really like about this soft-sided dog crate is that it comes with both front and side entry doors. There's also a partial mesh window at the rear portion, and at the opposite side is a full-length mesh window. As such, the crate is well ventilated because the mesh windows allow for the easy circulation of air. If you live in warmer climates, then this is an excellent choice for your canine companion. This foldable dog crate also comes with some added features, such as a mat, carrying case, and some storage pockets. Above all, this product includes built-in handles, which make transporting it extremely easy. We like this crate a lot due to many reasons, but perhaps it's because of its high quality and durable fabric, which includes a mesh. This offers enough ventilation on the crate and makes it look even more stylish as well. Moving on, at number 4, we have the 2 PET foldable soft crates. For dog owners who are budget conscious, the 2 PET foldable soft-sided dog crate is what we would highly recommend. This soft-sided crate is available in a wide range of sizes, so depending on the breed of the dog that you own, you can always find something that can comfortably accommodate your pooch. This collapsible and soft-sided dog crate folds down very easily, thanks to its lightweight steel frame. In just a few short seconds, you will be able to transform the crate into a carrying crate. It comes with a handle for easy transportation. Furthermore, this foldable crate is designed with the comfort of your dog in mind. The soft sides will make your pooch feel at ease, and eventually, this soft crate will become your dog's favorite hangout place. What's great about this budget-friendly collapsible crate is that it's machine washable. The fleece blanket and the canvas cover can all be machine washed, so washing this soft crate will be effortless. Remember, cleanliness and freshness are important in keeping your furry friend comfortable. This is especially true if you plan on taking your pooch on your trip. The best part is that this soft-sided crate comes with a waterproof pad. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Folding Soft Dog Crate. Another soft-sided collapsible soft-sided dog crate that offers good value for money is the Amazon Basics Folding Soft Dog Crate, which can be used both indoors and outdoors. The Amazon Basics Premium Soft Dog Crate features a high-quality canvas cover made of polyester and mounted on a durable and lightweight PVC pipe frame. And thanks to the lightweight pipe, transporting this soft crate is quite manageable. The largest size, which is at 42 inches, weighs only 13 pounds. Furthermore, the crate's corners have been double reinforced, which allows for added durability. The foldable crate features a folding suitcase-style design, and the frame attaches securely into a 3-inch carrying size. It includes a securing latch, a handle, and shoulder straps that make transporting the crate extremely easy. This product is a great soft-sided carrier for both small and large dog breeds, as you can choose from 5 different sizes. At number 2, we have the Petsfit Travel Collapsible Dog Crate. This collapsible soft-sided dog crate from Petsfit is another travel crate that we would highly recommend. It comes with everything you need in a reliable dog crate. Petsfit has created several different models of dog crates, but this particular model is one of the best. It's available in several different dimensions, and it is dual purpose. You can use it as a carrying case or as a cage to confine your canine safely for when you need to leave your pooch alone in your house. What's great about the Petsfit Travel Foldable Home Soft Dog Crate is that it's made from durable materials and comes with a secure fastening. Thus, it would be pretty difficult for your pooch to get out of this soft-sided dog crate alone. Furthermore, its sides are made from a 600D x 600D Oxford cloth, nylon variant, that is durable enough to secure your pooch while making your pet feel comfortable as well. Your pooch will surely enjoy the comfort of sleeping in this soft-sided collapsible crate, whether during your travels or while at home. And finally at number 1, we have the ARF Pets Dog Soft Crate Kennel. The ARF Pets Dog Soft Crate is available in 2 different sizes and the cost will vary depending on the size that you need. Large sizes cost more while the small sizes are understandably cheaper. If you need a budget dog foldable crate, this is the brand that you should go for. And although this soft crate is very affordable, the quality of this dog crate hasn't been compromised. In fact, it's still one of the best rated collapsible soft-sided dog crates in the market in terms of quality. Furthermore, this soft crate comes with a lightweight but durable framing structure and has a water-resistant pad that's easy to clean and wash. Aside from having excellent functionality, this collapsible dog crate includes a carrying strap for easy portability. Thus, you'd be able to carry your canine buddy in this soft-sided crate wherever you need to. We like this fully collapsible soft-sided dog crate because of its soft mesh cover that's well ventilated. It's heavy-duty but lightweight. Furthermore, it folds up very easily for effortless setup and storage.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.